Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we're going to be reviewing BBQ gloves.
Yeah, came in 17. Damn.
I've got 4 sets of gloves here, starting with the cheapest through to the most expensive. These neoprene gloves are £4, that's $5.50. These welders mitts are £9, that's $12.50. These gloves are £16, which is $22. And these gloves are £19, which is $26. So we're going to do a heat test with these gloves. We're going to be using the pizza oven and a cast iron skillet. All we're going to do is pop this in the oven now and let it get hot. So our pizza oven has reached 300 degrees C, that's 580 F. So what we're going to do now, we're going to try out our first pair of gloves, which is going to be the silicone glove. That was about 3 seconds. Second pair we're going to try out is the welder's glove. That was even less. And look at the scorch. Third pair, the BBQGO. Yep, that's been on for about 4 or 5 seconds. And this one, the most expensive glove. So, from the tests, which gloves are we going to prefer? Well, for sure, these are out the window. Second pair, they're out the window. So, it's between these two. Both withstood the pan temperature for the same amount of time. These are £16, these are £19. We'll do a comparison of length. The BBQGO, about 1.5 inches longer, gives you more protection up the arm. Both got the interior, cotton interior. So the choice is BBQGO or expensive glove. I'm going to go BBQGO. For £3 less, these are the gloves to go for. Some of my recommendations for BBQ gloves are from BBQGO. If you're interested in buying some, please check out the link below in the description.